middle of November and it's warm for Swedish standards. Usually it's quite cold, so this is definitely a climate change. And yesterday it was so nice to have a discussion about digital twins in the value chain of advanced materials manufacturing, and that is a positioning into the future. That when we have control of all the parameters and so on in the manufacturing, and when we develop new applications, then we keep track already from the beginning. And in such way, we will be able to position ourselves in the future with the future application. So the research to business will be faster. The time to market is more efficient, and we create more impact from the research by positioning the digitalization already now. And this is also an encouragement to the young people that we are active with the modern things, digitalization, digital twins, blockchain, NFTs and such things which are common for them, but not so much for us who are a little bit senior. But then we can inspire the young generation to be active with the things we are doing. So the things we place today and initiate the new things towards the future, they will be attractive for the young people. And in such way, we can encourage and inspire the young generation to continue the momentum we create now.